Hi guys, we received Boya microphone from imastudent.com. So imastudent.com is the best dealing website in India. So just now I received from them. Just we will unbox that, and this Boya microphone will support for smartphones, DSLR and camcorder, and other audio recorder also. So we will check how we have to connect each one of them. So we'll check the features. It's a omnidirectional condenser mic. It will reduce the noise from outside, so we will get the clear clarity on the voice. So it will be very suit for presentations and video making. So it is having one LR44 battery and foam windscreen to avoid the wind noise, and label clip, and that's it. We'll check how the quality will be. We have camera, DSLR camera, and mobile phone and laptop. So we will check in each one of them, and let me decide how the quality will be. So now I'll unbox that. So I received from the courier the package, and the packing was very good. They neatly packed. They gave one pouch, boya pouch, and inside we have a warranty card and user manual. Let me check what are the accessories we got. So this is a mic. This is a condenser part, and having battery also. This is a mic actually. So it is having some pinholes. Through that it will sound will go through into that. So it is called omnidirectional. And we'll check the accessories how it will be. So we have foam windscreen to reduce the noise of wind while speaking, or while recording voice in outside. So it will reduce the wind noise. Just we have to put it inside. That's it. So you always use that foam, so for better clarity without any wind noise. Mm, Apart from that, we have one LR44 battery, and this is mostly used for amplifiers, and we have one clip. So this has to attach to the mic. So like that you have to attach, and you have to keep it in clothes. So first we will check in DSLR. So we will we'll check what are the settings and buttons in the mic. So here you can able to see two modes. One is camera mode and one is smartphone mode. So while connecting to the camera, you need a external battery. We have to insert the battery into the condenser part, and if you using smartphone, there is no need of battery. You can use without battery also. And for DSLR, camcorder and laptop, we need the battery that they given. So we'll check how to put battery. Just open it. So this is the battery. So positive side must be this side is positive and this side is negative. They kept the simple as positive here. I kept now, and you can close the condenser mic. So now the mic is ready for voice recording. Let it be. So I'll open this. So they kept a long wire. It's nearly more than 3 meters. So I'll show how to clip that in the dress. Better you have to wear shirts, then it will be nice to keep the mic. Let me see how to do that. So let me see how to fit the mic. So here is the mic. So from the face, you have to fit the mic 20 to 25 centimeters from the face. You can mostly keep in that way. It's no need to keep the mic straightly to the mouth. It will be little standing, then there is no disturbance of wind noise from the mouth. So you can keep it like this, and we can record that voice using DSLR. Let me check that. So now we'll connect the mic into the DSLR. So in the Canon, the mic option will be here. Just open it and insert into the mic port. That's it. So let me record some video. Now I am recording the video in DSLR, Canon DSLR. Now you can listen how the voice clarity will be there, and how the background noise will be there. And after that I will record the voice using condenser mic. So you can find the difference, how the noise in the background. I'll read the features now. Clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC Extra. Omnidirectional condenser mic. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise. Includes lapel clip,
LR44 battery, form windscreen, 1/4 adapter. So now I'll connect the condenser mic. Now I connect the condenser mic and change the condenser switch to camcorder. So I connected to the camcorder. Now I'll read the features and you can listen how the clarity of voice will be and how the background noise will be. Clip-on mic for smartphone, DSLR, camcorder, audio recorder, PC extra, omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise. Includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, form windscreen, 1/4 adapter. So you can check listen both the video clip, one with default mic and another one, this one with condenser mic. You can find more difference between this condenser mic particularly for video recording and presentation. It's really good.
Now I am recording using a laptop default mic. So let me check how the background noise and how the clarity of voice now. And after this video I will record using a condenser mic. So I'll read the features now. Clip-on mic for smartphone, DSLR, camcorder, audio recorders, PC, omnidirectional condenser mic, low handling noise, includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, 1/4 inch adapter, 20 feet cable. Now you listen the clarity of voice. Now I'll try to connect the headphones now, means a mic now. So I'll select headphone with the microphone and I selected smartphone in the condenser button. So in my laptop having 3.5 mm jack, there is no separate jack for mic and audio. If it is a separate jack for mic and audio, if you insert into the mic, you have to change that switch to camera in the condenser button. So now I am using hybrid laptop, so it is having a 3.5 mm jack. It includes both the mic and audio. So I am selecting headset with microphone. Now you listen the voice, it will be coming from microphone. So I'll read the feature now. Clip on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorder, audio recorders, PC, omnidirectional condenser mic, low handling noise, includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, 1/4 inch adapter, 20 feet cable. Just find the difference between before connecting the condenser mic and default mic of laptop. We can observe a lot of noise has been reduced in the condenser mic, and the clarity of voice also enhanced. Now I am recording in mobile default mic. Just listen how the background noise and clarity. I'll read the feature now. Clip-on mic for smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorder, PC extra, omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise. Includes a lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, 1/4 inch adapter. Now I'll connect the condenser mic. Just check how the clarity will be. So I am just inserting into the mobile. So now it is working through condenser mic. I'll read the features now. Clip-on mic for smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorder, PC extra. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise. Includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, 1/4-inch adapter. Just listen how the clarity of voice and how the background noise are reduced. Really, the microphone is clarity of voice and background noise has been reduced more. We have checked in laptop, DSLR and smartphone also. In all the devices, it is working perfectly. So it's a perfect choice for YouTubers, TikTok, and other video recording things. You can use it for presentation also. They provided 20 feet cable. It is too long. You can use it anywhere. So just I will mention the link in the below description. I'll just check that one, and if you want any external mic for your video recording, you just order it on IMA Student. For the less cost, we are getting perfect mic for video recording. Just try that. Please subscribe for the channel for more technical related reviews and technical videos. Thank you guys.